being flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it.
So I lost my footage for my intro and outro, but I do have the end results. So I'm just gonna show you how I do my curly hair routine. So as you can see, I start off by detangling and wetting my hair, and then I'm going to grab my Garnier leave-in conditioning cream and apply that through my hair on both sides thoroughly. Now I'm taking my Mixed Chicks oil. I forget what it's called. I think it's silk oil. I'll have it down in the description box, all the products I use. And I'm just applying that to my hair also. I don't apply too much of it because I don't like when my hair is really oily. But I'm putting that in my hair. And then I'm taking some Eco Styling Gel, just a little bit, and applying that to the front of my hair because them two pieces in the front tend to like frizz up and I don't like how they turn out. So now I'm scrunching my hair, and that's pretty much all I do. Alright, so I didn't record the outro like I said in the beginning of this video, but I did get the end results and here they are. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment and subscribe. And turn on your post notification bell to get notified when I post.